Okay.
Yes, Ramesh.
Okay. So you are alone or one more person is there?
I am alone, Ramesh. I am at home. You are hearing my voice.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Narendra has gone to other place. I think. Okay.
Yeah, he said he'll be joining again.
Okay. No problem. So
Okay.
in this regards, what we have started especially for this, I think we have completed and you have heard this particular power users duties and responsibilities. Is it fine?
Yeah, Samir. But could you please explain about this?
Yeah, yeah. So basically, power user, as the name implies, that power user is having some special and specific authenticities and authorizations for accessing the reports. Okay, some specific reports or some having some accessing of specific tables. Okay, to make the reports, or it has he has or she has got some specific tasks related to this password reset or some authorizations for switch on some business functions after the discussion with the team. So these are the specific authorizations as an administrator. So power user is also working as an administrator for finance or customer service or any financial analyst tasks. Okay, so they are more than a particular end user.
Yes, Samir.
Yeah. So they are more having more authorizations objects in the PFCG role.
Okay.
Yeah. As an administrator, you can say they are in general the having the authorization for the administrative objects to work as a payroll clerk or customer service representative or financial analyst. So to make some high-ended and custom reports for management's requirements. Okay,
Yes, Samir.
good. Now next is the transportation management's NetWeaver business clients for desktop. So it has got the specific sections. Okay, basically it has got 6 sections. One is the menu driven. So menu, we can see it is the drop down menu. It will having the components like we can open or you can open existing or new file or new screen. Okay, and next is the favorite panel is working as just you can have some variant type savings. Let us suppose that we have made some specific personalized screen, so we can save as favorite option for this particular screen as a link in this particular panel, favorite panel. Okay, just like what we are doing in Google. So in Google also we are saving this particular specific website in a particular panel, or you can say folder. So basically it is a folder related repository, just like folder related repository, having the link or having this URL for n number of scenarios, means layouts, okay, for n number of scenarios. Next is the tab. We have got this tab concept. Tab means changing for different drop down options. Okay, maybe different tabs related to the different activities of transportation managements. Okay, maybe transportation planner and others. Next is the search bar. So search bar, you can insert any specific keywords and you need to press this particular lens related option to search the particular keywords available in this particular backend data for this particular desktop of NetWeaver business client. Okay, and content area involves the contents for the maybe for resources, or maybe for master data, maybe for orders, or is any specific service orders, or purchase order, or sales orders. Okay, so we can see the contents. What are the contents which are uh, integrated in the tree manner, tree structure, drop down tree structures in this content. Okay, in the hierarchy level. And here the navigation panel also is the main navigation panel, where we can see all these particular node and subnode level headings and title, maybe for some freight unit. So what are the freight units activities? Okay, maybe some overview for tendering, maybe some overview tendering for carriers. Okay, all these navigation panels having this particular node and subnode made based objects, maybe related to the rail, maybe related to the air. Okay, so what are the particular lane, transportation lanes, and what is the any particular query you want to do. Okay, or any particular you can see activities for displaying the some freight orders. Okay, and also related to some specific overview for this freight orders status. What is the status of the freight orders? So all these activities we can see in the navigation panels related to the freight order management. Okay, how to manage the freight orders, how to uh, control the freight orders from this particular desktop of an SAP NetWeaver business clients of SAP TM 9.5. So main objective is to make uh, the collections of different screen in a single layout. Okay, and also it is to showcase, to operate all these individual transactions from this particular single screen, which is working as a, you can say, shippers window for shipping clerks or shippers of SAP TM, who is the most important stakeholder or key stakeholder for SAP TM 9.5 shipper. Any question for desktop?
No, Samesh. It's clear.
Good. Yeah. Now transportation search management. So transportation search, we have used this transportation. Now we are some drilled downing some specific activities related to the search, maybe related to, in order to find out any specific business document. We need to enter the business document ID, maybe sales order number, or purchase order number, or maybe stock STO number, stock transport order number, or contract or scheduling agreement. Okay, order or delivery. We can enter the delivery number, inbound or outbound delivery number. Also, we can specifically enter the specific attributes apart from delivery, maybe some freight unit activities we can see. Okay, so a lot of business documents are available here involving SAP TM processes like orders, deliveries, freight orders, forwarding orders. What are the OTR, means order based transportation requirements or delivery based transportation requirements. What are the freight bookings, if we have freight bookings, to make the capacity reservations we can show it. What are the transportation unit which is attached to the trailer or any truck or any rail car.
So these are the specific TU, transportation units, used in warehouse or yard managements, or maybe during the transportation processes. Also, we can showcase or we can display the payment documents or settlement documents related to the freight and forwarding agents operation. So all these activities we can search here one by one. It is a big search screen that levels involving the semantic search. So it is also having the capability of you can say machine learning concept. If you search anything today, so it will be appearing just as your suggestions, suggested search maybe next time. Okay, suggested search. So just like machine language type concept is also used in this type of NWBC search for TM. Okay, so it is a standard search based on the semantic or based on the ML machine language relevant search. Now we have got a special POWL in transportation management, NWBC UI or UI based workplace. So in this particular workplace, we have got work list called POWL. So POWL has got different sections. About 8 to 10 sections are there, 10 sections. So first one we can see at the header level, we have got active queries. So what are the query categories? Maybe related to the transportation unit or freight unit or freight, maybe some orders or maybe some transportation allocations or business instances. Okay. And next is the what are the active queries related to these particular query categories. Maybe transportation units, we have some active queries sitting in POW. Next we have some specific activities for application related buttons. So application related buttons involve some headings of application related activities related to the scheduling or platform flow.